Question number 10. Read everyone. The bisectors of angle B and angle C meet at O. Prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus half of angle A. This is a triangle ABC and bisector of angle B is BO, bisector of angle C is CO. We have to prove that this angle BOC, to prove angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus half of angle A, this one. And what is given here? See what is given. It is given that OB and OC are bisectors of angle B and angle C of triangle ABC. Okay, so I am going to prove here. Prove this question. See, that is very easy question. What is the sum of angle A, angle B and angle C? In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree by angles sum property of triangles. Okay. So clearly from here, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree minus angle A. Okay. Then from here, half of angle B plus half of angle C is equal to half of 180 degree minus half of angle A. हमने क्या किया? 1/2 से both side multiply कर दिया. So half of angle B. See, this is angle B, and OB is its bisector. So what is half of angle B? That will be OBC. If this is 60 degree, and because this is bisector, what is the work of bisector? Bisector is that line which bisects, which divide an angle into two equal parts. Means this is 60 degree, then this one will be 30 degree. So angle B का half OBC हो जाएगा. This one is half of this one. So half of angle B is angle OBC. And what is the half of angle C? Clearly OC is bisector of angle C. That's why OCB, angle OCB, that is half of 180, that is 90 degree, minus 1/2 angle A. Okay. Suppose this is first. We will use this equation. Now in triangle OBC, what is the sum of all angles? Angle BOC plus angle OBC plus angle OCB, that is equal to 180 degree. This one plus this one and plus this one, that is equal to 180 degree by angles sum property of triangles. Okay. So from here you can see OBC plus OCB, that is 90 minus half of angle A. So from here we have angle BOC plus 90 minus half of angle A equal to 180. So from here what will be BOC? Then angle BOC equal to, right side is 180 and transfer these two terms to right side, that is plus 90, so it will be minus 90, and this is minus half of angle A, that will be plus half of angle A. Clearly we have angle BOC 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree, and plus this is half of angle A. Okay. So angle BOC is 90 plus half of angle A, जो हमें प्रूव करना. Got it? So that is very important question for you. Now read next question, question number 11. Question number 11, I have already solved this question. It is given as an example in your NCERT book. I had solved this. Now question number 12. Question number 12. See question number 12. Read everyone. Question number 12. Question number 12. PQRS is a parallelogram. The bisectors of angle P and angle Q meet at O. Prove that POQ is 90 degree. This is a parallelogram. PQRS. PQRS. What is given here? Quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Bisector of angle P and bisector of angle Q meet at O. That is OP and OQ are bisectors of angle P and angle Q respectively. We have to prove this angle POQ, angle POQ equal to 90 degree. That is very easy question. See its proof. This is a very easy question. See, this is a parallelogram. What is parallelogram? Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Means this PQRS is a parallelogram. So PQ will be parallel to RS and PS is parallel to QR. Okay. Now PS parallel to QR and PQ is what? Works as a transversal. So PS is parallel to QR. Reason क्या दोगे? Because quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. So its both pairs of opposite sides will be parallel. And PS and QR are opposite sides. That's why they will be parallel. PQ and PQ is a transversal. PQ is transversal. So actually this one and this one, this is PS and this is QR. They are parallel. And this PQ is a transversal. Then see angle P and angle Q. Angle P, this one, this is angle P and this is angle Q. अब बताओ कि ये दोनों क्या फॉर्म कर रहे हैं? Co-interior angles. They form angle P, this one, and angle Q, this one. They form co-interior angles. And we know that when lines are parallel, co-interior angles are supplementary. Means their sum will be equal to 180 degrees. So angle P plus angle Q will be equal to 180 degrees because they are co-interior angles. Okay. Now what will be half of angle P? Sorry. Multiply 1 by 2 both sides. So we have half of angle P plus half of angle Q, that is half of 180 degree. So from here half of angle P. Now this is angle P and OP is bisector of angle P. Bisector, again it divides this angle P into two equal parts. Clearly if this is 60 degrees, so this one will be 30 degree, half of this one. So half of angle P will be OPQ, angle OPQ, and half of angle Q will be OQP, angle OQP. That is equal to 180 ka half of 180, that is 90 degree. Okay. So suppose this is first one. We will use this in next, after few lines, after few steps. See, now in triangle POQ, sum of all angles will be angle OPQ plus angle OQP plus angle POQ. That will be equal to 180 degree in triangle POQ by angles sum property of triangles. Okay. So now what is the sum of these two? That is 90. In first we have already proved this, plus angle POQ, that is equal to 180. That is from first. Okay. So from here angle POQ is equal to what? That is 180 minus 90. Means angle POQ is equal to 90 degree. That we want to prove. Okay. Now next, question number 13. We have already proved this. Question number 13. इसमें वैल्यू दे दिया है लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द एनसीईआरटी. यू विल सी द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द एनसीईआरटी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 आई थिंक. This is the same question, only here value is given, so you should put the value in that question, you will get the answer. Now question number 14. Read question number 14 everyone. Question number 14. AOB is a straight line. If A minus B is 40 degree, find A plus B. See this AB is a straight line, and that is AOB is a straight line. This is A, this is B, and it is given that A minus B is 40 degree. We have to find A and B. Very easy question. What is given here? It is given that AOB is a straight line and A minus B is 40 degree. Suppose this is first equation. Now see its solution. See, A and B form linear pair because AOB is a straight line, and we know that sum of linear pair is 180 degree. Clearly A plus B will be equal to 180 degree because they form linear pair. Okay. Suppose this is equation second. Now equation first is A minus B is 40 and A plus B is 180. That is equation second. Solve these two equations. Find out the value of A and B. How can we solve this? Add these two equations. Adding first and second. What we have? Left को left में आप add करो. So what we have? A plus A, that is 2A. Okay. And minus B plus B cancel हो जाएगा. देखो मैं ऐसे रख के add कर देता हूँ. That is A minus B is equal to 40 and A plus B is 1A. Add करो. A plus A 2A and minus B and plus B will be cancelled, and that is 220. 180 plus 40 is 220. Then from here A is equal to 220 divided by 2. 220 divided by 2, that is 110 degree. A is 110. What will be value of B? Put in any one of the two equations. So from second you can see this is A plus B. A is 110 plus B, that is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So from here B is equal to what? 180, and transfer this to this side, minus 110. Clearly B is equal to 70. So A is 110, B is 70. That is question number 14. Okay. Now read question number 15. Read question number 15. 15 is good question. Question number 15. Question number 15. In figure, AB is parallel to CD. This is AB and that is CD. It is given that AB is parallel to CD and this is POQ. POQ. Angle APO, this is 60 degree. And angle CQO, this one, that is 80 degree. We have to find reflex angle POQ. Okay, reflex angle POQ means ये आपसे फाइंड आउट करने को पूछे दिस रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. देखो आप POQ में अगर सिर्फ POQ कहता, लिसन केयरफुली एवरीवन, सिर्फ POQ कहता तो सी दिस एंगल इज आल्सो रीड एज POQ and this angle is also read as POQ, but it asks for reflex angle POQ. What is reflex? An angle whose measurement is more than 180, less than 360. तो उस POQ की वैल्यू इसको चाहिए जिसका मेजरमेंट 180 से 360 के बीच में हो. Clearly this one will be that angle. This one will be less than 180. Clearly this is not reflex of POQ. Okay, so we have to find out this angle actually. So for finding out we have to construct something. What we have to construct? See, draw a line which is passes through O and parallel to AB and CD, because AB and CD both are parallel to each other. That's why if when we draw any line from O which is parallel to AB, because all these lines are on the same plane, that's why all the three lines will be parallel to each other. So draw a line, say EOF, which is parallel to AB. Draw EOF which is parallel to AB, and because AB is parallel to CD, that's why all the three lines will be parallel to each other. Okay, now let this angle is angle 1 and this one is angle 2. After that I am going to find out angle 1 and angle 2. After that we will add them, angle 1 and angle 2, we will get reflex of angle POQ. Okay, see what will be angle 1? How can we find out angle 1? See, this AB and EF are parallel. See its solution. AB parallel to EF and this PO is transversal. PO is transversal. Clearly this angle APO and plus angle 1. This one and this one, that is equal to 180. Why? Because they form co-interior angles. You can check. They form co-interior angles. Okay? So their sum will be 180. Now APO measurement is 60 degree plus angle 1 equal to 180. So from here what will be the value of angle 1? That is 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. That is angle 1. Okay? Now I am going to find out angle 2. Now EF is parallel to CD. Now EF is parallel to CD and this OQ is transversal. OQ is transversal. So this angle 2 and angle CQO, angle 2 plus angle CQO, they form co-interior angles, and we know that if lines are parallel intersected by a transversal, then co-interior angles are supplementary. That's why their sum will be equal to 180 because they form co-interior angles. So that is angle 2 plus, and CQO is 80 degree. Okay, so that is their sum will be 180. So from here angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 80, that is 100 degree. This is angle 2. Now we have to find out reflex angle POQ. So reflex angle POQ, reflex angle POQ, that is equal to sum of angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 is, see, angle 1 is 120 and angle 2 is 100. Clearly their sum is 220 degree. And you can see 220 is what? More than 180? Less than 360? Clearly this is reflex angle. Okay. Now, this is question number 15. Question number 16 is very easy. Sum of all the three angles will be equal to 180 because POQ is a straight line. So you will solve this. That is very easy. Now question number 17, that is also very easy question. Lines are parallel, that's why alternate angles will be equal. So they should be equal, and from there we can easily find out value of x. Now question number 18. Question number 18. Read question number 18, everyone. That's a good question. Question number 18. Read carefully, everyone. PS is the bisector of angle QPR. See, this is a figure. This is P, Q, that is R, that is T, and this is S. And it is given that PS is what is given here in figure. PS is bisector of angle QPR. Okay, prove that. To prove, what we have to prove? First, इसमें भी कट किया है, एंगल QPS प्लस एंगल PSR is equal to angle PRT, and second we have to prove angle PQS plus angle PRT, that is twice of angle PSR. Okay, so I am going to prove this. See carefully, everyone. That is very good question. See, it is given that PS is bisector of angle QPR. इसका bisector है, मीन्स अगर ये 60 डिग्री है तो इसको 30 और 30 के 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. मीन्स अगर हम इसको एंगल 1 लें और इसको एंगल 2 लें, तो एंगल 1 और एंगल 2 बोथ आर इक्वल. एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2. व्हाई? बिकॉज PS is bisector of angle QPR. Okay, so angle 1 and angle 2, these two angles are equal to each other. Now see, in first we have to prove QPS, this one, plus PSR, this one, this angle, sum of this one and this one, that is equal to PRT. Okay, so first we have to find out angle PSR. See, in triangle PQS, in triangle PQS, when QS is produced, then this angle is formed. Okay, so this angle PSR is exterior angle. So by exterior angle property, this angle is equal to sum of this one, angle 1, and this one, angle Q. So angle PSR is equal to angle 1 plus angle Q by exterior angle property of triangles. Okay, suppose that is second, we will use this, and this is PSR plus QPS. Yes, this one. That is equal to PRT. Now in triangle PQR, everyone look at the blackboard. In triangle PQR, when the side QR is produced, then this angle PRT is formed. Means this angle PRT is exterior angle. Okay, so this angle is exterior for this triangle PQR. That's why this angle will be equal to this one plus this one. By exterior angle property, we know that exterior angle of any triangle will be equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. That's why angle PRT equal to angle P, this whole angle P plus angle Q. Okay, now see, this is PRT, and everyone look at the blackboard very carefully. See, this angle P will be what? If this angle 1 is 30 degree, this angle 2 will be also 30 degree, because angle 1 and angle 2 both are equal. Then angle P is 60 degree, means this angle P is twice of angle 1. Okay, see here I can write here, that is half of angle P. Angle P का आधा एंगल 1 और एंगल 2 है. सो एंगल P क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ से? एंगल P is equal to twice of angle 1. So angle P can be written as twice of angle 1. Okay, and plus angle Q. See, this twice of angle 1 can be written as angle 1 plus angle 1. This twice of angle 1 can be written as angle 1 plus angle 1, and plus this one is angle Q. Now see, this is angle PRT. See carefully. This angle 1, read this angle 1. QPS, that is angle QPS. Okay, and plus angle 1 plus angle Q. Angle 1 plus angle Q equal to angle PSR. Angle PSR. That is from second. इसका तो हमने सिर्फ नाम पढ़ा, और ये कहां से आया, ये कैसे रिप्लेस किया हमने? फ्रॉम सेकेंड्स. सो PRT इक्वल टू QPS प्लस PSR. ये फर्स्ट वाला. PRT equal to QPS plus PSR. Okay. Now I am going to prove second one. Second one के लिए हमें ये यहाँ से मिटाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये इतना नीचे है हमारे पास. We have to remove this for making space. Now what is second? See carefully what we want to prove here. We want to prove here in the second PQS. This PQS plus PRT. This one plus this one is equal to twice of this one. This one plus this one is equal to twice of this one. अच्छा, आप देखो, from second we have angle PSR. Angle PSR is equal to angle 1 plus angle Q. Angle 1 plus angle Q. यही है ना? और ये जो आया है this one. ये जो लास्ट हमारे पास है, इसको आप इक्वेशन नंबर 3 ले लो. दैट इज इक्वेशन नंबर 3. एंड फ्रॉम थर्ड ध्यान से देखो क्या है. दैट इज PRT. एंगल PRT दैट इज इक्वल टू QPS. एवरीवन लुक एट द ब्लैकबोर्ड, सॉरी व्हाइट बोर्ड. QPS. This QPS is nothing but that is angle 1. QPS is angle 1 plus angle PSR plus angle PS. ओके, देन फ्रॉम हियर आप देखो PSR मैं यहाँ रोक रहा हूँ और एंगल 1 को इधर ट्रांसफर करता हूँ, क्या मिलेगा हमें? एंगल PSR इज इक्वल टू, जब ध्यान से देखिएगा, इसको मैंने रोका, इसे यहाँ ट्रांसफर किया तो ये लेफ्ट साइड जाएगा तो एंगल PRT माइनस एंगल 1 हो जाएगा। ओके, अब देखो सपोज दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 4 एंड दैट इज इक्वेशन नंबर 5। ओके, मैं जा रहा हूँ यहाँ मिटाने क्योंकि ये तो प्रूफ गिवन है, यही हमें प्रूफ करना है। अब इनकी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं, इसलिए हम इसे रफ कर सकते हैं। सी, बी केयरफुल, वी वांट टू पुट दिस, यही हमें प्रूफ करना है। देखो ट्वाइस ऑफ PSR होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे ये PSR इक्वल टू समथिंग है, ये भी PSR इक्वल टू समथिंग है, इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को हमें ऐड कर देना है समथिंग, एडिंग फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ, फोर्थ और फिफ्थ को ऐड करो तो लेफ्ट को लेफ्ट में ऐड करो, PSR प्लस PSR व्हाट वी हैव, ट्वाइस ऑफ एंगल PSR, दैट इज इक्वल टू, राइट को राइट में करो, एंगल 1 माइनस एंगल 1 विल बी कैंसल्ड, एंगल 1 एंड हियर माइनस एंगल 1 दे विल बी कैंसल्ड, एंगल Q प्लस एंगल PRT आएगा, क्या आएगा? एंगल Q प्लस एंगल PRT, और फिगर से आप एंगल Q पढ़ लो, एंगल Q यही है, एंगल Q इज PQR, एंगल Q इज व्हाट? PQR, सो एंगल PQR प्लस एंगल PRT दैट इज इक्वल टू ट्वाइस ऑफ एंगल PSR, दैट इज वी वांट टू PQR, PQS, PQR can be read as P, this angle Q can be read as PQS, PQS पढ़िए PQR पढ़िए कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, this that can be read as PQS also plus PRT, PQS plus PRT that is equal to 2 times PS. So I think main questions मैंने आपको बताया है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 is 19 बहुत बार आपने क्लास 7th में सॉल्व किया होगा, एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 also. Still, if you have any doubt in any other questions, you can ask me through the group. Okay, that's enough for today. Thank you.